Now first the spermatogenesis. As we discussed earlier, the primordial germ cells in male remains in the dormant stage from 6th week of the intrauterine life up to the puberty in the gonads, that is the testes. So this spermatogenesis begins at puberty and it occurs in the seminiferous tubules of the testes. This spermatogenesis is divided into three phases. It is the spermatocytosis, meiosis and the spermiogenesis. These three phases are the parts of the spermatogenesis. Now at puberty, these primordial germ cells which have the diploid chromosomes number, that is the 46, undergoes mitosis and maturation. After the mitosis, it is formed the dark type A spermatogonia. Spermatogonia. These spermatogonia are derived from these primordial germ cells after the mitotic division, and these spermatogonia are the precursor of the spermatozoa, yeah, sperm. It is a precursor of the sperm or spermatozoa. The first form, it is the dark type spermatogonia. Now this dark type spermatogonia acts as a stem cells. They are the stem cells. They undergo further mitotic division. It is the mitosis. And after the mitosis, it is formed. It is the dark type A spermatogonia and light type A spermatogonia. Both have the same chromosomes number. Now this dark type A spermatogonia, it is reserved for the repetition of the next cycle. It is reserved. While the light type spermatogonia that has the 46 chromosomes undergoes mitosis, division, and they form, each light type of the spermatogonia form two type B spermatogonia. From each light type A spermatogonia, two type B spermatogonia are formed, and this is formed by the mitosis division. Now, further, each type B spermatogonia undergoes the mitosis division, and they form primary spermatocytes. Primary spermatocytes. From one type B, there are two primary spermatocytes are formed. These primary spermatocytes have the same chromosome number, that is of the primordial germ cells. So that's how the primary spermatocytes are derived from these primordial germ cells. And this is a sequence of the mitosis division. It is the mitosis. There is nowhere, it is the meiosis. And this complete phase from here to here, it is the spermatocytosis. It is the spermatocytosis. Now, after the formation of the primary spermatocytes from the type B spermatogonia, each primary spermatocytes, that is the 46 chromosomes, undergoes the first meiotic division. This is the first meiotic divisions occur, as a result of which each primary spermatocytes forms the two secondary spermatocytes. Now, as a result of the first meiotic division, the chromosome number changed from 46 to 23. Haploid number of the chromosomes in each secondary spermatocytes. When the primary spermatocytes divide into the two secondary spermatocytes, it has the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is present, and this cytoplasm is equally distributed in both secondary spermatocytes. And this is the difference between the spermatogenesis and the oogenesis. So, these secondary spermatocytes, they have the 23 numbers of chromosomes, and it has the 2N DNA strand. Or we can say the daughter cells that form after the first meiotic division. These daughter cells that are the secondary spermatocytes, they have the chromosomes number 23, and DNA is present at the 2N strand. Now, these secondary spermatocytes undergoes the second meiotic division, and as a result of which each secondary spermatocytes give the two spermatids. Now, everyone knows male has the XY chromosomes. So, the secondary spermatocyte, one is the 23X, while the second it is the Y. As a result of which, the second meiotic division results in the formation of the two spermatids that are the 23, that is the X, and two spermatids that are the Y. Means from one primary spermatocytes there is a formation of the four spermatids in spermatogenesis. Two are of X type and the two are of the Y type. Now, these spermatids have chromosomes number is the same, 23. They are the haploid chromosomes, and now the DNA strand, it is the single DNA strand as a result of the second meiotic division. So we can say the daughter cells formed after the second meiotic division has this chromosomes number, and this is the strand of the DNA present in the spermatids. Now, this process, the first and the second meiotic division, forms the meiotic phase of the spermatogenesis. Now, these spermatids change into the spermatozoa. These spermatids that form, it is more or less round in the shape. It undergoes the morphological changes, as a result of which this spermatozoa is formed, transformed into this form. And this state, the transformation of the spermatids into the spermatozoa, it is known as the spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis. There is a difference between the spermatogenesis. The term we discussed, it is the spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis and the spermiogenesis. The spermatogenesis, this complete cycle from the primordial germ cells up to the formation of the spermatozoa, it is the spermatogenesis. While what is spermiogenesis? It is the morphological transformation, morphological change in the shape of the spermatid into the spermatozoa without cell division. There is no cell division. Is known as the spermiogenesis. While the spermatogenesis, it is the complete cycle. Spermiogenesis is the part of the spermatogenesis, while the spermatogenesis is not the part of the spermiogenesis.